Oswego, New York. Look at this weather. Heading out for a walk here. Looks like the snow is freaking up to my waist here. I don't know. I'm gonna have to like hop my way where I'm going. Oh my goodness, dude! I'm like stuck in the snow here. Ugh. Alright, I'll wait right here on this snowbank for me to cross the road here. Oh, this is nasty. Oh. And people are still going 40 miles an hour in Oswego. This fucking town. I'm telling you. This fucking Johnny here blew a fucking red light. Dumb fuck. So, it's a beautiful day today, as you can see. We're going for a whiz-walk. I got the good camera going this round. My back camera. Last night I had my front camera on. It's so bright out I can't even see the screen. Let's see here. Oh, there we go. I had to turn the brightness up a little bit there. Whew. So, I was heading out for my walk. I'm like, better check the weather here. And, oh yeah, 30 degree below wind chills. Not to mention the snow freaking avalanche that I had to crawl through to get out of the apartment. Jesus. Look at this. This is just yesterday. There was like barely any snow. And it's like dead out. Besides those idiots that come out and want to drive around 40 miles an hour in a car. And then just about every time you see them right down the road later, or like off the side of the road. You know, it's like, let's march through this. Ugh, let's only get 1 foot of snow. My hand's freezing. Ugh, gotta change hands. This video ain't gonna be too long because I gotta keep my hands in my pockets and keep them warm. But yeah, beautiful weather here. I actually like it when it's like this. Like, make it as bad as you can get it, you know, and I'll come out and play. Because that's when it's fun. Unfortunately, there's no sidewalks to walk on right now. Whew. Absolutely beautiful. I wanted to, usually when I go for walks, there's a little abandoned train bridge that I like to go across. But right about now, I bet you there's like gale force winds that were like 20 to 30 degree below. Oh. Yeah. It's I triple layer my clothes though when I come out. You know, you gotta, as long as you're smart you know, you can frolic in this weather all freaking day long. Really, it's really not that complicated. You gotta layer up, you know, it's that simple. I got like 3 shirts on, 2 sweaters, my jacket, some pajama pants with some jeans and some snow pants, and I'm perfectly fine. What's this Johnny doing? Better get away from him. Look at that Johnny up there slipping and sliding.